Okay, we're going to go over how to graph a line using the slope and the y-intercept method. So this is going to come from the fact that the line can be expressed in this general form here, y equals mx plus b, where of course, m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. So I've got two lines here that I'm going to show you how to graph just by identifying the slope and y-intercept. So first thing you want to do is you want to plot the y-intercept. So I'm just going to write that down. So going here, for this one here, my y-intercept is this part right here, which is 5. So we know that's actually the 0.05. So I'm going to plot that first. So right about there. And then from there, we're going to apply the rise over the run. So by that, I'm going to need my slope. So my slope, I'm just going to change the highlighter here. My slope is 1 over 2. So slope 1 over 2, which means the rise is 1 and the run is 2. So from that y-intercept, I want to run 2 and I want to rise 1. So because 2 is positive, I'm going to go 2 to the right, and I'm not going to put my point down yet. Then I'm going to do my rise, which is 1, so that means 1 up. If the run was negative, I would have gone to the left. If the rise is negative, I would have gone down. So there you go. There is my 2 points, and then what I can do is I can connect them to form my line, because all you need is 2 points to make a line. Now, if I wanted to, I could have done the rise over run the opposite way. So meaning from the y-intercept, I could have gone up 1. I'm just going to change the color to show you what that would look like. So I could have rised 1 and then run 2, which means you still go 2 to the right. You can see I would have ended up in the exact same spot. So I'm just going to label this one. That's y equals 1/2 x plus 5. So now I'm going to do the next one. I'm just going to change the color here. So the y-intercept is -3. So I know that is the point 0 minus 3. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3 down here. Now my slope is -4. Now in order to get a rise over run, because it's a whole number, I know I can make that over 1, which means my rise is -4 and my run is 1. Now if I wanted to, I could have put the negative into the run and make that negative and have the rise positive, but that's going to be your choice. So again, from here, I'm going to run 1, so that's 1 to the right. Now the rise is -4, so that means I'm going to go down 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to extend that a bit. There is where my second point goes. And then from there, you can connect your 2 points. I'm just going to fix that up a little bit. And again, making sure you're putting arrows on the ends of your line to signify it goes infinitely one way and infinitely the other way. So again, plot your y-intercept, apply your rise over run from your y-intercept, and make sure not to put that second point down until you've completed both the rise and the run. I'm going to see you in the next video.